Craving a way to turn your foodie passion into a stream of income while you sleep? Let's dive into creating a passive income food blog, where your love for cooking becomes a 24/7 revenue generator. First, nail down your niche. Are you the queen of quick weeknight dinners, a baking extraordinaire, or obsessed with vegan cuisine? High-quality photos are non-negotiable. Invest in good lighting, learn basic food styling, or even hire a photographer. Your blog is a visual feast, so make it appetizing. Next, set up your blog. Platforms like WordPress are user-friendly and offer tons of customizable templates. Choose a domain name that's catchy and easy to remember. Now, start creating content. Develop original recipes, write engaging stories, and share helpful tips. Consistency is key. Aim for a regular posting schedule to keep your audience coming back for more. Time for monetization. Advertising is a simple start. Google AdSense places ads on your site, earning you money based on clicks or impressions. Step up your game with affiliate marketing. Recommend your favorite products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate links. Level up your earnings by selling ebooks filled with exclusive recipes and cooking guides. Package your expertise into a valuable resource your audience will love. Finally, consider offering online courses. Teach your unique cooking skills and techniques, creating a premium revenue stream that delivers immense value to your followers. With dedication and consistent effort, your food blog can become a delicious source of passive income, freeing you to pursue your culinary passions and maybe even take that dream vacation.